Digitizing surface inspections has never been this easy with ReliScan. Equipped with advanced line scanning technology powered by Relimetrics AI-based machine vision technology takes surface inspections to a new level, digitizing anomaly detection with guaranteed detection accuracy. Let's take a look at how ReliScan is implemented for 3 different use cases. In the first example, ReliScan is integrated with Relimetrics inline machine vision system to automate ceramic tile inspections. The defects recognized by the system include paint and edge defects, scratches, voids, cracks and pinholes. Using Relimetrics web-based HMI, the field operators can review the results and accept or dispute them. The disputes are utilized in improving the AI models by means of no-code retraining by the field operators. In the second example, ReliScan is integrated in line with the electroplating equipment of a PCB supplier to check for anomalies after electroplating. Anomalies such as scratches, clamp marks, and surface anomalies on electroplated copper sheets are inspected with 99% plus guaranteed detection accuracy. Detected issues are flagged on the web-based HMI to guide the operator to review and accept or dispute them. The disputes are used by the operator to improve the AI models by means of no-code retraining. In the third example, ReliScan is integrated with an adhesive production line to check for contamination and impurities on the adhesive. ReliScan can also provide an automated feedback loop by correlating machine and process data with the generated quality data to increase the productivity of the adhesive manufacturing process. ReliScan is a shop floor-ready AI-based surface inspection product with industrial resilience, availability and accuracy guaranteed. It can be deployed at the edge or in the cloud depending on data security requirements of the customer. For more information, contact info@relimetrics.com.